Okay, part two of the cinnamon. Alright, part two of the cinnamon challenge, and this is Jordan. Alright.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Just go. Damn, he's still spitting his out. I'm getting back. He's gonna. Drink. Oh, looks like he's throwing up. Yuck.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yummy.
Okay, bro, film, man.
I am.
There's cinnamon in my drink.
Drink it. Skull it.
Oh, yeah,
Go.
part of the challenge.
3,
Cinnamon
ready?
in water.
3, 2, 1, go. Chug. He gonna do it. Oh my god. I think Jordan wins this one. Yeah, man.